Another quarantine YouTube video.
It has come to this.
Truly. So it is time to cut Ajit's hair because, like,
It's like it's getting in my eyes.
it's not good. And honestly, I need a haircut too, so maybe you might be doing mine in the near future. We'll have to figure this out.
I think my hair can go up my nose.
This is actually my first time doing this. Hold these.
Okay.
Okay.
Do I have to make awkward small talk with you like other barbers?
No. Okay, so trash bag. Because your hair is trash.
Ah! I don't.
Okay, don't.
I feel like I'm being born again.
There we go. How do you feel? Comfortable?
I feel like a prisoner.
This is the best I can do. Let me actually tuck this in, like, so it'd be like if you don't have a little barber thing, you just tuck in the trash bag in the shirt. Some tips and tricks, so it won't go down your shirt. I know, it's so that you don't move and keep moving because you're just very fidgety. All right.
It tickles.
See, I knew that was gonna happen. Ow! Okay, I'm annoyed. Already irritated at you. You're one of my worst clients.
I'm your only client.
Worst client.
In this salon that has one wall.
Now, I don't really know. Can I have the razor? And then...
Oh, I have to provide my own tools.
What number? What number do you do on a regular?
I usually do 2s.
Okay, let's do 3.
3s on the sides.
Let's do 3. 3. 3 means less. So you do thicker hairs on the sides? The lower the number, the shavier it gets.
The shavier it gets.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to do 3 for the back.
We're off to just a scintillating start.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we're gonna do is brush. If you have a comb, that would work fantastic. And we're gonna just start trimming the bottom and create like this even line. So let's go ahead and get started. Woohoo! I got a hair. You guys see? So it's like, oh wow, shade. You have a mole there, so watch out for moles. Eee. 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 This is easy. Does it hurt? What do you feel?
A little.
It hurts? So that's good. So it's not like the most even. Can you like tilt this way? Yeah, just a smidgen so I can see what I'm doing. Uh-oh.
What?
Your neck is red. It's supposed to be red.
No.
Well, okay. Then it's not red. Can you like tilt a little like this? Are you sure this is a 3?
Why?
It just took out a lot. Okay, should I do a 4 to be safe? Oh my god. Oh my god.
My hair is really long though.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ew, look at all the hair. What do we do with it? How does it feel?
It feels so much, it feels freeing.
Freeing?
Oh.
What?
My neck itches.
Okay, lift your head a little bit. Like,
there's a lot of
I was watching some YouTube videos and they were like, don't go above like the round of your head, just kind of flick it like that. So we're just flicking.
Oh my god, that felt deep.
Did it feel deep?
A little. Can you like brush my neck? I feel like I have a mullet.
You're sweating.
Yes, it's hot.
I don't do sweaty clients.
You don't do any clients except for me.
You don't know. You don't know what my side business is. There's so many numbers. 7, 9. You want to try 9? Lift up.
Are you picking just random numbers?
Yeah, isn't that how you do a fade? You like pick numbers?
No, you... Oh.
We're in quarantine. No one's gonna see you. Did you keep your sideburns? Do you like want to keep the sideburns?
No.
Wait, like do you actually remove the sideburns?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that makes things easier.
Yeah, I just shave everything like how you shave the back.
Wee! Wee! I'm not allowed to look until this is all over. Your ears are big.
Yeah. So I hear everything.
What?
Fingers going in my ears.
Isn't that what they do? I'm gonna bring it down rounding numbers. Hope you're okay with that.
You just randomly, it has to be even, you know.
That's not the style, my
Even
dear.
a little, oh my.
There's like stubborn hairs behind your ear. I cannot get out to save the life. Hey, can you get up and shake?
Look like I hugged a bear.
Just shake a little bit. Let's do some scissoring, and this is where Snuffy's scissors come into play. I had no other scissors.
Oh my god.
So, you can face the camera now.
Is that up to code?
I'm talking too much. So this is just called like basic scissoring.
Basic scissoring.
And I'm going vertical. Like you just want to go straight up.
What?
Like straight up. Go straight up like this.
What's happening?
These scissors work better for dog hair. Okay.
My nose.
It's okay. It's okay.
Brush my.
You know, if you mess up here and there, it's okay. Well, it's not the most even.
I mean, not the most
I
even.
think people use shears. This by no means is a tutorial. This is just a video.
This is an accident over a period of 8 to 10 minutes.
It's just a little
What?
uneven. Can you please just like raise?
Why is it so much?
I'm working. That's why I came to this side, but you keep looking down. Men, get yourself a woman that will shave.
Correctly.
So me.
What is this stabbing?
You've got to let me do my job. You have
A job
to.
you started 5 minutes ago.
You've got to let me do my job. I'm doing it so well. Okay, I think we're done with the actual. Do people razor the head?
No.
No. Also seen people do like vertical snippets. Have you seen that?
Yes, but they do you know why they do it?
No. Do you?
No.
Okay, well. What?
That hurt.
How could that hurt?
Ow.
Okay, I can't work like this. Do you need all this?
Yes.
Scissoring. 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 Oh crap, I hit the comb instead of your hair.
No, you got my hair.
No, I didn't. I have no idea what this does. But people keep saying to do it. We're almost done.
What is that face?
I just don't like this. Like, what do people do with that?
I'm supposed to laugh at your class. How does it look?
I think it looks great. It's probably your best haircut yet.
My best one yet.
It's just a little frizzy. I'm wondering what causes that.
Frizziness?
Should I be like shearing it a little bit more? Let me try shearing.
I don't know what shearing does, but
I
okay.
don't know either. I think that's good. Wow.
Oh yeah. It's actually not bad. A little patchy.
There's like one patchy spot. I can just kind of like. The side of your head's actually really difficult to do. I only charged $15.
Okay, I'll pay you out of our bank account.
It depends on the client.
Thanks, babe.
So like this one, probably $85.
Oh
but,
my god.
But that's
Oh.
good! Woohoo! Wait, I could have used that trash bag.
Oh, there's a hole in the bottom.
Oh yeah, good point. That is a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this, not tutorial, it's just we are cutting his hair video. If you have any questions, don't ask me, ask your hairstylist. Bye, we'll chat soon.
Bye. Also, as a bonus to my haircut is a free waxing service. All the
Getting rid of all the hair.
you can actually see.